Right, folks, here we got the iRobot Roomba 560 model, and this Roomba is used, but it's in great shape. It has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so everything here is clean. And the battery here is used, and it lasts about an hour and 10 minutes. Now I'll show you what I got here. So first of all, we got a brand new filter and a side brush. These are the extra sets. And we got a charger right here, power adapter, 120 volts. Alright, we got two virtual wall light houses here. And these are in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. Here's the docking station. It's in great shape also. Here's the Roomba itself. This has the brand new faceplate on it. But the Roomba is used, so it shows a little bit of wear on the bumper area. In pictures, you guys can see a little more detail in the pictures. So. Alright, I'm going to flip it over. Alright, here we got the 6-legged brush, which is still in good shape. And we got the front wheel here. Here's the model, 560 model. Remove the dustbin here. Okay. So here's the dustbin and the vacuum bin. So like I said, everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes. So you get a nice clean Roomba. Here's a serial number in case anybody interested in. And here's the brushes, also has been cleaned, disinfected. And I'll show you guys how it works. And I'll do a straight run, that way you guys see that the bumper sensors work correctly. Everything has been checked and double checked, make sure everything works correctly. Here's a straight run. Alright, thanks for watching.